Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error when you update your iPhone to iOS 14 and you also have problem with Wi-Fi, so your Wi-Fi keeps dropping, and how you can fix it. So for fixing it, just try to swipe up and just turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off again. So just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. So just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. Try to restore your Wi-Fi router and just click on blue button here. Just try to forget this network and just turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and just choose your Wi-Fi network, write your password, and if it doesn't help you, you can also try to restore your phone. So just go to the general and just shut down, type on shut down, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you, another thing you can also try is just open reset in the general and just try to reset network settings. So just tap on reset network settings and just reset it. And the last thing you can also try is just click on power and low volume button until you will see here Apple logo. So just keep holding these two buttons until you will see Apple logo, so it means that you successfully made force restart. So just release your fingers from these two buttons. So this is the way how you can do it. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.